Hoi hoi, another day, another raw chicken. Pretty tired day. Need a little raw chicken pick me up. Got some raw wild caught salmon too. This shit is good. Pretty expensive though. Should go catch the salmon myself and farm my own raw chicken. That seems kinda easy. If you have a land, place put the chickens. It doesn't seem that much work. And even so, is it really work to have raw chickens? Or would you actually kinda like to do it? I don't know. It doesn't seem hard. And humans love animals. Be around animals and to eat animals. It's actually pretty exciting to hunt and kill the animals. Even though I understand the vegan perspective very well, as I was vegan for years myself. But that's kinda anti-nature. That's not how nature works. In the nature, killing is everyday work. Animals love to kill their prey and eat it raw. Isn't it funny how we are the only animal, if we are even animals? Maybe we're some more ascended beings. But we still got these animalistic instincts in us. And when we follow them, it seems to lead to good things. And when we don't follow them, it seems to lead to bad things. So that kind of makes us animals do. But isn't it funny that we are the only animal who don't know what his natural diet is? Or at least most people don't know that. Like 99.9% of the people. We're figuring it out here. Is raw chicken part of the natural human diet? Seems to be working pretty good. Haven't gone sick once. Really easy digestion. Energy. It's kind of neutral. Skin is good. My skin's never been this good. So at least the raw chicken don't make the skin that bad. I still got some pimples here and there. Isn't it funny that we don't know what our natural diet is? And even some people today don't even know their sexuality. Isn't that kind of funny? My battery's dying soon, so let's make it fast this time. They got us so confused. People don't even know what they like. sexually anymore. In the subconscious level they do know probably. But because they're so brainwashed, they get confused about what they like sexually. Am I male or female or trans or whatever the fuck? I mean, there's always some exceptions to the rule when it comes to sexuality and many more other things. But there can't be this many in the nature. And even so, I wonder if people would live more naturally. Would it happen at all? Like what started it? What caused us to go gay? These days, it seems pretty popular. Like way too popular to my liking. Just goes to show how confused people are. The CEO of Illuminati, that guy is a true genius. He understands human nature. Then he thinks, how can I manipulate these slaves, put them under a spell, and can use them as slaves for my benefit? Let's just see what is the natural thing to do, and then how can we reverse it? My battery died. Anyways, I was saying they reverse all the natural things to the unnatural or whatever and make us believe those. The CEO of Illuminati. How the hell that boy got that wisdom? They either never lost, they always were attuned to the nature with their families, they never lost the knowledge, they passed it on to the generations, or maybe they killed a couple babies from moloch. You just have to lose one or two of your kids, maybe one grandchild or something, to the moloch or Baal. And you gain this knowledge, you can gain this wisdom. Because then you also have to know how to program people, how to put them under a spell. It's not enough to know what's right and wrong in this realm, but you also have to know how to put people under the spell. So they just start acting unnaturally themselves, because you cannot hold their hands all the time. You're gonna let your little kids, aka slaves, do the slaving themselves. You just have to teach them, right? CEO of Illuminati. That guy's smart AF. We didn't know what to eat. We didn't know what gender we are. What sex do we like? And they taught us all that. They are masters at marketing, putting spells on people. And they know the true nature of our beings, because otherwise they wouldn't know what to program us towards. I would like to meet the CEO of Illuminati one day. CEO. the president of Illuminati. That's my dream. Eat raw chicken and meat, president of Illuminati. Anyways, see you on the next one.